Some new details in the arrest of Luigi Mangione. Police body camera footage was played in court today as a pretrial hearing continues in the state case against him.
Mangione has pleaded not guilty to state and federal charges in the murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. His defense team wants some of the evidence and statements he made tossed out, claiming his constitutional rights were violated. Alice Gaynor was in the courtroom. Alice?
Yesterday, we saw security footage from inside the McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania, where Luigi Mangione was arrested, but there was no audio. Well, today, we saw a lot of police body camera footage, multiple angles, and there was audio.
Altoona police officer Joseph Detweiler testified when the call came in December 9th, 2024, quote, "There's a male in the store that looks like the NYC shooter," directing him to a McDonald's. He says he replied 10-4, semi-sarcastically, because he didn't think it would be the person of interest police were searching for. He says his supervisor texted him, quote, "If you get the New York City shooter, I'll buy you a hoagie." But Officer Detweiler told the court after responding and asking the man in the restaurant to lower his mask, quote, "I knew it was him immediately." On police body cam, we see Luigi Mangione tell the two responding officers his name was Mark Rosario and hand over a fake ID. Detweiler says, quote, "I stayed calm and then I asked him, have you been to New York recently?" He searched Mangione for weapons. Mangione sat back down and ate his hash brown and a steak sandwich. The officer testified he made small talk about the food and told Mangione they were working to confirm his ID to get him out of there, to keep him calm. Holiday music playing in the restaurant can be heard in the background throughout the footage. Jingle Bell Rock and I'll Be Home for Christmas. The officer starts whistling along at one point, telling the court it was to make everything seem normal. Eventually, more law enforcement show up, and Mangione's backpack is moved away out of concern for what was in it. Mangione is told, quote, "You're under official police investigation." He then gives his real name. He was asked why he lied about his name, and Mangione replies it was the ID in his wallet and confirms it's fake. Miranda warnings are then given to Mangione. Mangione is handcuffed, patted down, and searched. A jar of peanut butter was pulled out of his pocket, a case with a large amount of cash and foreign currency, rope, and a small piece of paper. The bag was then searched. Defense attorneys argue there was no warrant for the search and want evidence from the backpack left out at trial, which includes a gun, notebook, and note to the FBI. Detweiler testified the rule of the Altoona Police Department is they search everyone being arrested, their person, and bags.
There is no court tomorrow. It resumes on Thursday. Outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan, Alice Gaynor, CBS News, New York.
Alice, thank you.
You can find even more details on the pretrial hearing on our website, cbsnewyork.com.